In a world filled with endless distractions and fast-paced living, it is crucial to remember the importance of our roots, the land that nurtures and sustains us. It is here, in the embrace of Mother Earth, that we find solace, wisdom, and a deep connection that transcends time. The land is where our roots are. These words hold profound meaning, for they remind us that our existence is intertwined with the very essence of nature. Just as a tree draws strength from its roots, we too must learn to draw inspiration from the land that surrounds us. It is within this sacred space that we discover the true meaning of harmony. As guardians of this earth, it is our responsibility to teach the next generation the invaluable lesson of living in harmony with nature. Our children must learn to feel the rhythm of the earth beneath their feet, to listen to the whispers of the wind, and to embrace the beauty that surrounds them. For it is through this connection that they will find their purpose and the path to a sustainable future. Living in harmony with the earth is not a mere concept, it is a way of life. It is about recognizing that every action we take has a ripple effect on the world around us. It is about honoring the land that provides us with nourishment, shelter, and endless wonders. By teaching our children to respect and cherish the earth, we are instilling in them a deep sense of gratitude and a desire to protect and preserve this precious gift. In this fast-paced, technology-driven era, it is easy for our children to become disconnected from the natural world. But it is in nature that they will find the answers to life's most profound questions. It is in the gentle sway of the trees, the vibrant colors of a sunset, and the symphony of bird songs that they will discover the true meaning of peace and contentment.